In this video, we're going to discuss how to quickly fill in the full unit circle. All right, so we're going to fill it in stages. So this is the full unit circle. We're going to be able to fill this in with all of our points and all of our angles. The first thing you should do is you should already have quadrant 1 memorized. So quadrant 1, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. And then our x values getting smaller as we rotate around, and our y values getting bigger. The other points I added on here are the kind of direction. So going straight to the left is just a -1 for x, going straight down is a -1 for y. So this stuff is always the first thing I put in. Now the next thing I'm going to put in is we look at the pattern. These big gaps in my unit circle are 30 degrees, and these little gaps are 15. So I go 30, 15, 15, 30, and I just repeat it. 30, 15, 15, 30, 30, 15, 15, 30, 30, 15, 15, 30. And I just add those numbers up, and I get the rest of the angles of the unit circle. 30, 15, 15, 30, and so on. All right, now the next thing is these points are basically just going to get copy and pasted. So this point is the same as going straight across, and those are the same as going straight down. So I get these points. You see they're the exact same values as this square root of 3 over 2, 1/2 here. The only difference is on the left-hand side, the x values are negative. On the bottom, the y values are negative. All right, but these 4 points in this kind of rectangle here all have the same values, just with different negatives. And then we can do the same thing with the next point. At this kind of middle square here, they all have the same values, just putting negatives in the right place. And the last kind of thin rectangle we have here, they all have the same value with some negatives. Right? So it's important that you get some people flip these two or something like that. All right, this kind of thin rectangle in the middle and this thin rectangle in the middle, all right, those have the same value. And now you have the complete unit circle done, all right, just by kind of copying the values you knew from the first quadrant. All right, and that's how you quickly fill in the unit circle.